Some more bedtime at the Merz's. Saying goodnight to the birdies. Good night to all the birdies.
Can you wave to the camera, Jojo?
Hello. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Good night. Good night to the birds and good night to everyone in Iowa.
The
Woods.
Boards.
Come say good night to Nettie.
She can say it now. Birds.
Mmm.
The birds, Jojo. You gonna untangle it for me?
Ned is just watching, all excited. Who wants to come and kiss him? Who wants to come and tickle Nettie? Who wants to come and make him laugh?
Can you make him laugh, Jojo? Like the birds.
He's so interested in the birds, isn't he? Jojo, are you dancing and spinning? Okay, that was a little picture of my toes in our messy bedroom.